Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're talking about Revolut Ultra card. So guys, this is the card from Revolut platform. As you can see here guys, this is in you can get to access unlimited airports longs, and you can get these features. As you can see here guys, this is platinum plated card. This support customer contact our 24/7 support team. You have this good support team, and it is international transfer. You can save 100% international transfer fees, and you can withdraw money from your ATM up to $2,000 a month, and you can every day protect. You can get pieces of mind our comprehensive, and you have a cashback card payment. You can get a cashback to up 0.171% cash up, and you can link up to 5 accounts for your family member, and you can get access to Revolut Pro. As you can see here, this is safety features. You can protect your transaction, and you have support, customer support guys, and you save you are safety of priority. And you can choose this is plan from here ultra. This is a futures plan for 45 euro per month, and this is good card you can use guys. I hope this video helpful for you guys, and don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content.